My name's Rick Keller. I'm a manufacturing engineer. I've been involved with manufacturing for about 25 years or so in high volume manufacturing of products. I have a lot of knowledge about where to get the right products for whatever it is you might be trying to make. My background with Make48 event has been twofold. I've been able to compete on a team twice, and then the other times I've been involved as a tool tech. So I've got to experience all the dynamics and ups and downs and goods and bads kind of both sides of it, but it's just such a phenomenal event to be involved with. As a tool tech, you have all of the ability to help all of the different teams with all of the different projects that they're working on. It's just a phenomenal feeling.